So when a person gets a notice to appear, which is the official notification from the U.S. government that they are about to deport you, the first most important thing to remember is that you actually observe the date, the time, and the place of that removal hearing. You must attend. It's mandatory. Failure to attend would automatically lead to what they call a deportation order or removal order. The second thing to remember is that you need to consult a professional immigration attorney. A professional immigration attorney is licensed by the state where he practices or by the state where he comes from, where he obtained his law degree. So you can always ask the person you're inquiring with, are you a licensed immigration attorney? And they have to tell you the truth. And if they do not, they are liable for a major offense in the state of California. The attorney that you consult would then look at the notice to appear and look at the law under which the government intends to deport you. And he would have to look at the possible relief, that's to say solutions for your situation. Among the major types of relief are asylum, withholding or removal, protection under the Convention Against Torture, and cancellation of removal. And within that category of cancellation, there are two major types. One is called cancellation for permanent residents, and the other type is called cancellation for non-permanent residents. So those are the major types. And one last type that is going to be evaluated is whether you qualify for adjustment. That's to say, to actually register your permanent residency, either through marriage or through work, through one of the qualifying categories. Cancellation and removal likewise has complex requirements. For example, a permanent resident who has been removed, there are requirements that differ from that for a non-permanent resident that has been removed. For example, a non-permanent resident must prove that he has been residing in the United States for at least 10 years. But for a permanent resident, he only needs to show that he has resided as a permanent resident for 5 years and has resided in any capacity for more than 7 years. If your notice to appear outlines as reasons for your removal the fact that you committed certain crimes, it is absolutely imperative that you have a professional immigration attorney evaluate that, because there's a huge field that's involved in immigration literature involving deportation for crimes. And your chances, whether you're going to have a successful defense or not, truly depends on a very meticulous, complex, professional evaluation by the immigration attorney. If you don't have money for the attorney, many attorneys do provide initial free consultation. You could ask, can I have a free initial consultation? Many lawyers, such as our law office, would provide a certain amount of free initial consultation. There are also free legal services that are available in the community. In the San Francisco Bay Area, for example, there's the Asian Law Caucus, which is located in San Francisco and San Jose. They can provide you some initial free legal advice. And very often, if they cannot do your particular case, they can refer you to other lawyers whom they think can help you with the case.